In Brooklyn, I saw her writing. I assumed she was trying to put something together. And I assume also that in Brooklyn, after the death of her brother, something must have happened in her own mind to convince her that she had something to say. I think it was in the summer of 1944. We were in Bradley Beach, New Jersey for the summer. And I think my mother got word then that her brother, her hero brother, Israel, was executed by the Germans. Very sad day in her life. She was devastated because he was her hero, and, well, it was very bad times. I just remember she had some kind of a letter or some writing that told her that he was executed. He was working with the French underground and captured by the Nazis and executed. And I think that many of her stories and her style of writing developed after she got the news about her brother, the big disappointment about it being murdered. So that must have been in the latter 1940s, early 19, and I thought it developed more seriously once we got to Long Beach, and the children, I was out of the house already, I wasn't home very often in school, and everybody else was in school. She had more time for that, so I assume that was when she really got into writing at that time.